Hello, I'm Laura from Foxtecc. If you've ever wanted to send a message on Instagram in a more creative way, the gift message feature is a great option. Instead of just sending plain text, you can wrap your message inside a virtual gift box, making it a fun little surprise for the recipient. It's really easy to do, and I'll walk you through the steps right now. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Once you're on the home page, tap the message icon in the top right corner. This will take you to your direct messages. Now choose an existing conversation or tap the search bar at the top to find the person you want to send a message to. Once you have the chat open, tap on the message bar at the bottom and start typing your message. Just make sure you don't send it yet. Before you send the message, look for the search icon on the left side of the text box. Tap on it and you'll see different effects you can apply to your message. Swipe through the options until you find the one that looks like a gift box. When you select this, your message will be wrapped inside the animated gift. Instead of immediately appearing as text, it will be sent as a floating gift box. Once the message is sent, the recipient will only see the gift box at first. To read the message inside, they'll need to tap on the box, which will then open up and reveal what you wrote. It's a simple but fun way to add some extra excitement to your messages, whether you're sending a birthday wish, a special announcement, or just want to make a regular message a little more interesting. And that's it. Now you know how to send a gift message on Instagram. If this tutorial helped, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more useful tips. Thanks for watching, and see you later.